I'm so ready to get bad review on them, bro.
They've got enough of those.
Yes.
Problem is, you guys are acting disorderly.
He's
not.
waving his badge in his face, bro.
I promise you I'm not.
He's waving his badge in our face.
The problem is, you guys are...
Welcome back to Advocacy Alchemy with Professor Ross. Today we have a good one, guys. We'll be breaking down the wild night in Panama City, Florida, the spiral out of control for two women from Arkansas. This body cam footage from June 7th, 2024 reveals what can happen when a night of fun turns into legal trouble, especially when you're far from home. Only one of the women, Sasha, was ultimately arrested, and we'll use this case to explore three key Florida laws that play a role. Stick around to learn, comment, and let us know your thoughts.
Hey, chill.
No! Damn!
What's going on?
No, because...
No, give him my
No! Oh my God, thank God. Please. Please. I am so glad that you're here.
Step away.
Are you scared of us?
No, but I'm not going to have any situations arise.
Seriously?
Okay? I don't know what you're going to do. I don't know if you're going to grab my gun. I don't know.
No.
Okay?
Can I just tell you right now?
So I'm asking, just take a step back.
They have my purse in there,
Okay.
and all I want is my purse.
What I want to do is I want to figure out what's going on first, okay?
They have my purse, and that's
Okay.
all I want.
Okay.
It's a white purse.
Just a purse,
Has
that's it.
White purse, black chain.
ID,
They want to
debit
claim they don't have it.
Okay.
I know they have
Okay.
it.
So black purse.
I know that. Please let us walk in there with you.
You said, I can't let you go in if they're not wanting to.
Bro, seriously?
No.
Bro, seriously?
So listen, it's their property.
Seriously?
It's their property.
No,
They can make that
I
work.
want to go. But I want my purse. But the
Hold on,
$300
I'm
is
trying
not
to
my
figure out what your purse looks like so I can go in there now. You said black purse with
No.
white
White
purse.
Look at this. Look at this. They threw us out.
What did they kick y'all out for?
Because we were being too loud.
Okay.
And we were taking attention from the fucking dancers. Boo fucking who? Bitch, I'm a stripper my fucking self back in Arkansas. Bitch, try me. I'm sorry, but I was just trying to tip the girls.
You got a photo of your purse so I can go in there and see if they've got it?
Yes. They literally put their hands on us and they fucking threw us out.
I'm gonna figure out something.
Like
First thing.
I have it on video. Like if you really want to fucking try some shit.
I'm not trying to.
I'm just saying. I have it on
Listen,
video.
all I'm trying to do.
For the fucking Florida
All I'm
State
trying to do
Police.
is
Like,
figure
so
out
serious.
what your
You're
purse
so
looks like.
mean. I just want my fucking purse,
Okay,
dude.
I'm trying to see what your purse looks like.
God damn.
It's all white.
It's literally all white.
Okay.
Yeah.
What happened? I can tell.
Stop. No, that wasn't me. 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 That was not
Do
me.
not pull away. Do not pull
Seriously,
away.
really, Mackenzie? That wasn't even me.
Y'all are both acting up. We're gonna have issues
No, that
now.
wasn't me, dude. That was her.
Just step over here. Just step over here. 2 white females detained. Take another unit. I don't have enough room in my car.
Are you serious?
Have a seat against the wall, okay?
Have a seat.
Why would you have us detained?
Lean up against the wall.
Anything.
You guys are
How
acting
do you
up
want
too
us?
much.
How do you want us? Sitting?
What's that?
How do you want us?
You're good. Just lean up against that. I gotta wait for another unit now. Trying to go get y'all. Y'all aren't under arrest, but this is getting too much. When I'm in there trying to talk and you guys are hitting shit, that's a problem.
I wasn't. I literally wasn't. That was not me. Let me the fuck go.
No, we're not doing that.
428 to the unit.
We want that trespassing. That's too much.
Yeah.
Going on.
Okay. Hey,
It's not
listen.
about money.
Listen.
It is though.
Do you guys have a purse?
We look everywhere.
You guys have their IDs?
Lying. They're fucking lying, bro.
We look in the trash cans. We look everywhere.
Then I'm-
Fucking lying.
It was
I have over 300 I'm so ready to get bad review on them, bro.
They've got enough of those. I'd say.
No,
they're
we came
pretty-
here to spend money in our fucking and you're arresting us? Are you kidding me?
Not under arrest, but y'all are acting.
We
too
called
crazy.
you.
I get it.
We called you.
Chill.
We did call you.
I get that. But there's a problem.
We called you.
When I'm in there trying to help you guys out. When I'm in there trying to help you guys out, and you guys are throwing shit and yelling outside.
Bro, take blame, bro.
I know. She said she threw it. Alright, the problem is, the reason why you're in
Bro, that
cuffs
was
is
not
because you're out here
me.
yelling too, okay? You guys are being disorderly.
That was not me, bro.
You want to put your little vape thing in your purse?
I appreciate it. It's menthol.
I don't like this, bro.
I know.
Here, Sasha, let me loosen your cuffs. I put them on tight because you kept pulling away. Alright?
bro.
The problem is, you guys are out here yelling and throwing shit when I'm trying to do. Listen. I know you were the one throwing shit because I seen you will do it when I got here and I was ignoring it. But what I'm saying is you can't be doing that when I'm outside or inside trying to help you guys out.
Fair.
Because now at this point you guys are being
The police
disorderly.
is on our side, Sasha.
You guys are being disorderly and that's a problem, okay? Let me see your phone. Let me see your phone. Let me see your phone,
Yes,
Sasha. I'm not taking. I'm putting your phone right over here with the rest of everybody else's property, okay? Give it to me so we don't have any other issues, okay?
Let it go.
Believe it or not, people like to call 911 when they're in handcuffs, so I gotta take people's phones.
Please get me out of here. I didn't even do anything.
It's okay, Sasha. We didn't do
You didn't even. You're the one that fucking threw some shit, bro.
I threw my phone at the bar because
Get me out of here.
Alright, now, if you guys calm down and you guys just hang out, you guys are not going to jail. As simple as that.
Yes.
Problem is, you guys are acting disorderly.
He's
I'm not.
waving his badge in his face, bro.
I promise you I'm not.
He's waving his badge
The problem
in our face.
You guys are.
It's okay.
No!
He's cool.
No, he's not.
He's listening.
I didn't do anything. You did it. I didn't do anything. I know and he won't believe me.
No, I believe you. I seen it happen.
Yeah.
The difference is, listen to me for 2 seconds. All I'm saying is, I can't be in there and you guys are out here acting disorderly.
We just need to call.
You guys are detained right now for that reason. You're not going to jail at this moment. I have no desire to take you to jail when I get off in an hour. I'd rather not, because then that holds me over after work. So if you guys just cooperate and chill out, and let me figure everything out and get everything back to you guys, we can finish this up. Simple as that.
I was spending a lot of money in there.
He doesn't fucking care. He doesn't give a fuck. He literally doesn't give a fuck. He doesn't give a shit how much
Shut
fucking.
up!
But I'm just saying, he doesn't
Shut
care.
up!
He doesn't care how much money you spend.
It doesn't matter.
That club does though. That club does though. And they're eating it up.
I know.
And they're eating it up.
I know.
And that's why I just want my purse because I
I'm
don't
trying
want.
to get it.
I
But
don't
when
want to
you're
spend
out-
money there.
Sit down. Sit down. There's your purse. There's your purse.
See them.
Sit
See
down.
them. See
Not
them.
your bag.
That's
Luckily, it
literally
was
my
in
purse.
female bag. We
Yeah,
didn't take
babe,
inside.
we're not trying to fucking.
Quit walking up on me. Sit against the wall. Jesus.
Is that your bag? Is that her bag?
Yeah, that's what you described.
Girls' bag.
Can you stand with them for a minute? Alright, I'll go inside and talk to you guys. Jesus. Alright. So what happened? Now that that's over.
We told them, bro. We said they was looking for the purse. I said, okay, we'll find the purse, but we'll look for the purse. But they started fighting, doing all
that
just doing it.
girl-
Bro. We like, you got to wait outside. We gonna look for the purse.
I said, okay, we're gonna go look for it.
Yeah.
Then she started talking shit. Oh, fuck you. Oh, this and that. Pull this one, throw this one.
Yeah.
We said, no. And then we just pushed her out.
Did she break anything?
No.
I see you got scratches on your window. Did you want to press charges for the decal?
No, let me see.
Man, they was doing the whole.
Okay. Alright, well, we'll trespass.
Yeah, and then the girl, they find the bag in the girl's restroom, you know?
Do you guys still have IDs for them or anything? Or?
No, we didn't check inside the bag, so she still needs to check if it's her.
Do you mind if I check and make sure you have your ID?
Please fucking check me. God damn.
I was
please
trying
check
to
me.
spend that on.
Please let me go.
They
Jesus, you came
ripped
prepared.
my purse. They my Louis Vuitton
They were
purse.
so
They ripped it. No,
Alright.
I'm suing.
Do you mind if I check your purse, make sure ID's in here?
Yes. Can
Okay.
you let me go first?
Hold on.
Can you?
You've been disorderly since I
I'm
got here.
stepping the fuck away. No, I just wanted to step away so he wouldn't freak out like while I was my
Stay on the
back.
wall over here.
Jesus Christ.
It's in my phone.
It's in your phone? Okay. Well, make sure we have everything before we leave. Yes, that's right.
Oh
Okay.
my god.
Hey, Sasha, baby.
No, I'm just like so done with these fucking men.
Alright, you turn around.
And y'all just like belittle
If she
the fuck out of me.
You gotta make sure she does not come up here and cause any more issues because I do not need to arrest you guys for disorderly intoxication.
Hey, I will say this. They scammed us.
That's
and,
You have to sue them at this point. Alright. You want to stand up real quick so I can take your cuffs off?
Stand up.
Like,
This is so fucked up.
Sophia, I'm trying to get your cuffs
This
off.
is so fucked up. Please take a video of me. This is so fucked up. We didn't even do anything.
Alright.
We literally didn't even do anything. Never been handcuffed in my life. Never been handcuffed in my life. I didn't even do anything.
Alright. Y'all gotta go. You're trespassing. So you guys gotta go stay on the side of the road.
we don't want to be here anyway.
You gotta stay on the side of the road till River gets here.
You know, and then they make all the drama in front. I came here, I tell her that okay, we're gonna find
We're making all the drama in front. Bitch, you have my purse the whole times.
Baby, don't worry about this.
You have my whole purse.
Start walking.
Are you even illegal?
Alright, go. You're about to go to jail. Hurry up. We're not going to be talking back and forth.
I'm just saying. Like, God,
These police are here to take care of
You are this close to going to jail.
Hey, y'all are getting a lawsuit.
They broke her $3,000 purse. He says that we claim.
Alright, go. You're about to go to jail.
He's claiming that we're going
If you don't start walking to that road now,
She's getting her shoes on.
I don't care about her. Get walking that road, you're going to jail.
Okay.
Get walking the
Let me
road.
get her purse.
Hurry up.
Okay, thank you.
Last time I'm telling you, get her walking.
Cool. You think I really give a f*** about a dollar bill? You think I give a f*** about a dollar bill? Really? That's so f***ing rude. Not so much.
Thank you, police.
It's her dollar.
That's her dollar. Show and tell. Yeah,
Alright.
show and tell.
Get walking or you're going to jail. Side of the road.
What's your
Deputy
fucking
side.
badge name?
Deputy side. Go.
What's your badge name?
Go.
What's your... Won't
You know,
even
that's the
fucking
thing.
say it.
That's not a thing.
Won't even fucking
And
say
now
it.
you're going to jail.
All right, before we dive into the next part where things really start to escalate, let's take a second to like this video and subscribe to Advocacy Alchemy. If you made this far, you're clearly into unpacking legal drama. And we've got so much more coming your way. All right, here comes the good part. Let's jump back into the action.
Don't fucking...
Now you're going to jail.
So fuck... Please let me put my titties up. Please let me put my titties up. Can I please put my titties up? Please let me put my titties up. Please let me... Oh.
Damn, you gotta stop resisting.
Ow! Can I put my...
Stop resisting.
I'm not. I just want... Mackenzie! Mackenzie, they... Hey, look at my...
10-15 white female.
No. But look at my tits, please.
Haley, can you help me? It's probably not a good thing for me to be doing. Phone went somewhere. Fucking A, man. Fucking car ran over my goddamn phone.
Really?
Fucking pissed. God damn it. Fuck. That's going to fucking restitution. Fuck. Car ran over my phone. Fucking car ran over my fucking phone.
Oh no. Where do you want her? You want me to transport her? What do you want
What
me
do you want? I don't give a fuck.
You said what?
What do you want?
No, don't let him do it. Ow!
Here's the shit.
430 bed.
Parker, take a photo of this, send it to my WhatsApp. My phone's broken. So fucking pissed right now.
Don't be pissed. This is bullshit.
This stupid shit just cost me fucking $1,200, so I'm gonna be pissed.
Why are you out of $1,200?
Drop my phone chasing her because she wants to act up. The car runs it
I
over.
don't know why she...
Appreciate it. That stupid bitch ran from me, and as I'm fucking chasing her, my phone falls. I get ran over by a fucking car.
What in the f is going on?
So, trespassing. Told him to fucking leave, right? She wants to keep acting up. I'm like, hey, leave. She does her elbow up, elbows me. I'm like, okay, now you're going to jail. She takes off on foot again. So she's getting battery on Leo, resisting without, trespass after warning, fucking slew of shit.
Okay, so all that's
taken care of. They were trespassed, told to leave. She refused to leave, kept recording. Shoved me with her elbow. At that point, she was actually going to jail.
She's been searched and everything.
Haley's got her. I think she's been searched. Fucking fine now. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Huh? So mad right now.
I would be too.
Like, I'm legitimately fucking pissed.
She's ID'd and we know who
Yep,
she is.
everything's good.
Take her ass to jail.
Yep. It's not looking forward to spending $500 for a new fucking phone.
So are y'all staying with me until my friend gets here or no?
Oh, we're about to leave.
Y'all have a good night.
It's good news on Mackenzie. Thank you for being not like your friend.
Let's discuss the 3 key Florida laws involved in this case and how they apply. Number 1, Florida Statute Section 810.09, trespassing. Sasha and her companion were asked to leave the strip club, but refused. Under Florida law, trespassing occurs when someone willfully remains on property without permission. This refusal to leave constituted trespassing, punishable by up to 1 year in jail for a first-degree misdemeanor. Had Sasha been armed, this could have escalated to a felony charge. Number 2, Florida Statute Section 843.01, resisting an officer with violence. Things took a serious turn when Sasha threw an elbow at the officer, qualifying as resisting with violence, a third-degree felony with penalties up to 5 years in prison. While the officer displayed patience, Sasha's actions forced his hand. Number 3, Florida Statute Section 856.011, disorderly intoxication. Being intoxicated and causing a public disturbance also violated Florida's disorderly intoxication statute, a second-degree misdemeanor. This charge underscores how Sasha's behavior endangered others and disrupted public order. To fully understand how law enforcement and the legal system work, we need to examine the 6 levels of evidentiary standards. These are the building blocks of how cases progress, and they're essential to understanding this incident and others like it. Number 1, mere suspicion. This is a hunch or a gut feeling by an officer that something may be wrong, but it's not enough to take any legal action. A good example, the officer arrives at the strip club based on a call reporting 2 disorderly women. At this point, the officer has mere suspicion based on the report, but doesn't yet have facts to justify detaining or questioning anyone. Number 2, reasonable suspicion. A belief based on specific articulable facts that a crime has been, is being, or will be committed. This standard allows for a temporary detention or investigative questioning. Another example, when the officer observes Sasha yelling, refusing to leave, and causing a disturbance, this behavior gives him reasonable suspicion that she may be trespassing or disorderly. Number 3, probable cause. A reasonable basis for believing that a crime has been committed, which justifies an arrest, search, or obtaining a warrant. A good example is Sasha's physical resistance, throwing objects, and elbowing the officer provided probable cause for her arrest on charges of resisting an officer with violence and disorderly intoxication. Number 4, preponderance of the evidence. This standard is used in civil cases and requires that it is more likely than not, and that's over 50%, that a claim is true. A good example, if Sasha sued the strip club for allegedly mishandling her purse, the court would evaluate the evidence to determine if it's more likely than not that the club's actions caused her loss. Number 5, clear and convincing evidence. A higher standard than preponderance, requiring that the evidence is highly and substantially more likely to be true than untrue, 75%. If Sasha challenged the officer's claim of resisting arrest, she would need clear and convincing evidence, such as video footage, disproving the officer's account, to convince the court to dismiss the charge. Number 6, beyond a reasonable doubt. The highest standard used in criminal cases, requiring that the evidence leaves no reasonable doubt about the defendant's guilt. For example, to convict Sasha of resisting an officer with violence, the prosecution must prove beyond a reasonable doubt that she knowingly and willfully resisted the officer by offering violence while he performed a lawful duty. These evidentiary standards ensure fairness at every stage of the legal process, from the moment an officer arrives on scene to the final judgment in court. These principles guide the system and protect both public safety and individual rights. So, what can we learn from this? First, always be on your best behavior, especially when you're away from home. Who wants to be arrested outside their home state? Sasha's case highlights the importance of compliance with law enforcement and knowing when to walk away. The consequences of her actions turned the night out into legal trouble, all while far from Arkansas. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Remember, this is Advocacy Alchemy, and I'm Professor Ross. I'll see you tomorrow. You all have a good day.